costophrenic assist. Here, place the hand over the costophrenic angle of the patient and ask the patient to exhale. During exhalation, give a quick stretch downwards and inwards. And after that, ask the patient to inhale. While inhaling, give 3 quick stretches directing downwards and inwards. After inhalation, ask the patient to hold the breath and then cuff. During cuffing, we have to push the costophrenic angle towards the central tendon, that is upwards and inwards. So this process, in a continuous process, it will be like this.